Hey everybody, welcome to another edition of The Practical Divorce Lawyer. Let's have a little conversation, just the two of us. Everybody, in case you're new here, I'm Jonathan Noble, divorce and family law attorney, licensed in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. And I get a lot of questions. I have a young demographic on my Instagram following and YouTube channel, but I get a lot of questions, like life questions from young people, and I welcome the questions. Somebody wrote to me recently and asked if there was one thing that you could tell me as a graduating high school senior about to enter college. What would it be in order to choose wisely and live my best life? And that's a great question. There's a lot of things, and there's no easy answer. But if I could just pick like one or two things, it is to surround yourself with the right people. I can't tell you how many people get stuck with the wrong crowd. It could either be people who are a bad influence on you, or people who don't want to see you succeed. Sort of that crabs in a bucket mentality, whereas one crab starts to crawl out of the bucket, the other ones go to reach to pull them back down into the bucket. You don't want to be surrounded with people like that. So you want to surround yourself with the right people who are going to lift you higher and inspire you and educate you, not people who are going nowhere and are trying to keep you down with them. So share this with a young person who needs to see it. Or mentor somebody. I get calls all the time from third-year law students or some people who are contemplating going to law school who want to talk to me, and sometimes I'll have coffee with them or just do a video chat with them and give them some insight. I've had a couple of people meet me at the courthouse and spend a day with me or half a day, show them what a family lawyer really does. It's phenomenal. So try to seek out, if you're a young person and you're not sure what direction to go, seek out somebody who you can bring value to, who's close to your climb, all right? Meaning, you don't need to meet with the CEO of a company if you're interested in a certain industry. Maybe somebody that is a mid-level manager. If you're thinking about going to law school, reach out to a lawyer. I know that anytime I've reached out to another lawyer, either as a law student or even now, if I'm going to try a case in a county that is far away or a venue that's far away, I'll pick up the phone and call a well-established lawyer in that jurisdiction, and 100% of the time, they'll promptly return my call and answer all my questions. Other lawyers from outside of the areas where I practice will call me, and 100% of the time, I'll answer their questions without any problem in a prompt fashion. So reach out and pay it forward. Great things can happen. If you have the right mentality, good karma comes back to you. All right? Nothing happens, nothing works unless you do. So you got to put forth the effort. All right? Share this with someone who needs to see it, who's not living up to their potential and could be, and surrounding themselves with losers who aren't going anywhere, all right? Get out of that environment. Be careful out there. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment.